In 2026, cutting the cord doesn't mean giving up your local channels. In fact, for many people, it means finally watching them for free. In today's video, I am going to show you how to access local channels in 2026 on your JVC TV. Let's start with the simplest, and still the most reliable option. Over-the-air TV. Yes, local channels are still broadcast for free, and in 2026, they look better than ever. All you need is a TV with a built-in tuner, which almost every modern TV has, and a digital antenna. Once connected, you'll have access to major networks like ABC, CBS, NBC, Fox, PBS, and many additional local sub-channels. These channels come in full HD, with no monthly fee, no login, and no contracts. And here's something most people don't realize. Over-the-air TV often looks better than cable because it's less compressed. Live sports and fast motion can actually appear sharper. Now, choosing the right antenna matters. If you live close to broadcast towers, a simple indoor antenna may be all you need. If you're farther away or dealing with buildings, trees, or Cheyenne hills, an attic or outdoor antenna will give you the best results. The good news is, once it's set up, you're done. No bills, no price hikes, no surprise fees. Now let's talk about streaming. Because in 2026, there are also free streaming options that include local content. Services like Pluto TV, Tubi, and other free ad-supported platforms offer local news stations in select markets. While these may not replace an antenna, they're a great backup, especially if you're watching on a phone, tablet, or secondary TV. Another option in 2026 is combining an antenna with a streaming device. This allows you to keep all your content in one place. Live local channels from your antenna, and streaming apps like YouTube, Netflix, or Prime Video, all on one home screen. And if you want DVR functionality, there are solutions that let you record local channels without paying a cable company. So the big question is cutting the cord worth it in 2026? For many people, the answer is yes. You get your local channels, you keep access to the shows you actually watch, and you stop paying for things you don't need. Watching local channels for free isn't complicated. It just takes the right setup. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more tech guides that make things simple and practical. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.